Teddy! Here's Teddy! Teddy is chewing on a bone right now and not very excited to be on camera. Alright, see you later, kid. Hello, and welcome to this installment of Let's Make a Flip video of the lab. Today for your pre-lab, what you're going to be doing, the lab is going to be on conductivity of solutions. Okay? And we have talked in the past about the fact that when you put sodium chloride into water, it dissociates because the water molecules come and surround the sodium and the chlorine and pull them apart. Okay, if the attraction of the water to the sodium and chlorine is stronger, then they will pull them apart. And if it's not, then they obviously will be insoluble. So what you're going to be doing today is we're going to be testing 3 different solutions to see how the concentration of those solutions affects the solubility. The 3 solutions you're going to be doing: sodium chloride, aluminum chloride, and calcium chloride. So please write your beginning question down. The beginning question: what is the relationship between conductivity and concentration of a solution? And how will the number of ions into which a compound will dissociate affect the conductivity? Okay, so we're not only going to look at the relationship between conductivity and concentration, but also specifically, sodium chloride has 2 ions, aluminum chloride will dissociate into 4, calcium will and chlorine will dissociate into 3. All right, our setup includes a ring stand and a probe, and then this lovely temperature or conductivity probe that is inside of the that is in the ring stand being held up. Okay, I'm going to take a picture of this here, or not a picture, but copy it so that I can use it later. Okay. All right. Step 1, we're going to put our safety glasses on. Okay. Step 2, you're going to get a 70 or 100 milliliter beaker. And you're going to add 70 milliliters of distilled water in there. Okay. You're also going to find on your lab station test tubes with the different solutions in them, and you want to find the one that says sodium chloride. And it has a pipette in it that you'll be using to drop drops of sodium chloride into the solution. All right, step 3. Take a look at your conductivity or your conductivity meter. Okay. Make it a little bit smaller. You've got your conductivity meter, and on the conductivity meter there is a little black box that has a switch on it. And you want to turn that switch so that it is at the 0 to 2000 microsiemens readings. Okay, that is the number of, that's a measure of electricity for every centimeter that it moves. Okay, then you're going to take a look at the LabQuest, and the LabQuest looks like this. And up at the top there is a file button, and you'll drop that down and you'll choose new. Okay. Step 4, we'll set up the data collection mode. So we need to look at the meter screen. And hold on while I find them. the meter screen. That's not the meter screen. The meter screen has a red box, and it will be reading the conductivity, and up at the top there's a box that says mode. You're going to click on that box for step 4, and you will get something that looks like this. Once that window has opened, instead of choosing time-based, you will choose events with entry. And then it will ask you for the name, and you'll choose volume. And it will ask you for units, and you'll choose drops. Then you'll choose OK. Step 5, you're going to there's a little green button on the screen, and you're going to choose, oh, that's blue. It's a little green arrow, and that will start data collection. Okay. Oops, look, I have it already drawn. You're then going to take your probe, and you're going to raise the beaker with the water, but nothing else in it, up, and take a reading. Once your reading stabilizes, you're going to choose keep. And then it will ask you how many drops, and you'll put in 0. For step 6, you'll put in 1 drop of sodium chloride, and then you'll raise that beaker onto the conductivity meter, and you'll choose keep, and you'll tell it that you're keeping 1 drop. Then you'll do 2 drops. Choose keep, tell it 2 drops. Repeat until you have a total of 8 drops. Then you will hit the little square. Step 9, you'll hit the little red square button to stop. And you'll be ready to move on to the next one. For step 10, you'll get the test tube with the aluminum chloride. And you'll repeat steps 5 through 9 with your aluminum chloride. Okay. When you hit the green start button again, it's going to ask you, do you want to discard your data? You do not want to discard it. Instead, you want to store it. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. All right, well, we're going to have to stop there because it's about to shut down on me. So quickly, step 11, you will aluminum chloride, and then you will do the calcium chloride. Same thing. You got to be kidding me. Except for, guess what? I haven't videoed any of it. Oh, no, I have videoed it. Where'd it go?